Get up. Get up off the floor. Get up so I can take your picture. Come on, Gabe, get up.
Where's the airport at?
No more pictures.
You ain't famous.
Mike, where's all the places?
Come on, get up. Michael, help him. He's trying to get up. Help him.
I know you have to
Roll over to your back. Roll over and get up.
Where's Dad's headband?
Roll over. Oh my God. He's trying to get out of the vest. I blame you. Come on. It's quite the workout.
Come here.
Get up. Oh, my poor baby. Now get up. Oh my